Right, that story will be coming your way shortly. Now, businesswoman and musician Esther Akothee, popularly known as Akothee, has embarked on an initiative to promote tourism in both Kenya and Uganda. She shared the story behind her inspiration with Standard Group editor and host of the show History Makers, Charles Otieno. Here is a snippet of that interview to air this Saturday on KTN.
If I am an influencer, brand ambassador, or a marketing consultant,
yes. Yeah.
I am both. I am all. And I don't think I can survive in politics. Maybe that's why I've never been appointed on any position. I'm too honest and straight. Again, I don't like lies. I sell what I believe. I'm a very good wife.
What are you saying? You're also
a very good wife. You married once.
No, you married twice.
This other one, I don't know where to put it.
No. You have to put your most in marriage.
I don't know where I can put it because it was a premature one. So I can't call it marriage.
And how did you realize you were depressed?
Depression came with the brand.
Yeah.
Yeah. I did not know when to be Esther and when to be Akothee and when to be Madame. One day I almost died at the Western Hotel.
Oh, sorry.
Thank God to Nelly. He saved my life several times. I collapsed in Kisumu at the show. I left the hospital directly to the stage.